In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an Amazon gift card and use it to make a purchase. Whether you've received a gift card from a friend or you're just looking to use your Amazon balance, this process is straightforward and I'll be guiding you through it step by step to make sure you're comfortable and confident as you go along. To begin, you'll want to log into your Amazon account. This is an essential first step because your gift card needs to be applied to a specific account, and logging in ensures that everything is correctly linked. Head over to the Amazon website and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, which is also quite simple and painless. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the page. There you'll find the Accounts and Lists menu. Click on it and navigate to the Gift Cards section. This area of your account is dedicated to managing your gift card balances and redeeming new ones. You'll see an option labeled Redeem an Amazon gift card. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to a page where you can enter your claim code. This code is unique to your gift card and is usually found on the back. Carefully type in this code and then click Apply to your balance. Doing this will instantly transfer the gift card amount to your Amazon account balance, ready to use for your next purchase. Now that your balance is updated, it's time for the fun part: shopping. Take your time to browse through Amazon's vast product selections. You can search for specific items, explore different categories, or check out Amazon's recommendations. Whatever catches your eye, add those items to your cart as you normally would. When you're ready to purchase, go to your cart. This can be done by clicking on the cart icon, typically located at the top right of your screen. Review the items in your cart to ensure they're what you want. If you're satisfied, click the Proceed to Checkout button. This will guide you through the checkout process. As you reach the payment section, you'll notice something convenient. Your Amazon gift card balance appears automatically as a payment option. Amazon streamlines the process by applying your gift card balance to your purchase, and you won't have to lift a finger to do this. If your balance covers the full amount, fantastic. If it doesn't, you might need to add another payment method to cover the remaining cost. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to redeem and use an Amazon gift card. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident managing and using your Amazon gift cards. Happy shopping and enjoy all the wonderful finds that await you on Amazon.